As the era of Dodge's muscle car performance winds down, the 2010 Challenger offers a nostalgic yet powerful drive without breaking the bank. The 2010 Challenger, a 14-year-old car, benefits from depreciation while still packing a punch with its HEMI engine. However, buying a used car comes with considerations. Repair costs for the 2010 Challenger can vary widely. RepairPal estimates annual upkeep at around $560, while Carriage suggests a higher figure, closer to $1,800 for older models. Common issues include transmission shift quality, steering noises, loss of crankshaft position sensor signal, steering wheel vibrations, and powertrain control module malfunctions. There have been 7 safety recalls for the 2010 Challenger, 4 of which involve potentially exploding front airbag inflators. Other concerns include leaking power steering fluid, ignition module problems, and a recall for wheel spindle nut failure that could cause wheel separation. When it comes to pricing, the 2010 Challenger SRT8 is the most sought-after trim, thanks to its 6.1-litre V8 engine. Prices for a 2010 Challenger RT in good condition are around $17,000, while SE models are generally less expensive. Key areas to inspect before buying include rust, worn suspension components, and the notorious HEMI tick, 5.7-litre V8 models, which may indicate failing lifter rollers. Rust is a common issue, particularly in the rear rockers and outer wheelhouses. Prematurely worn suspension components like tie rod ends and ball joints are also problematic. The HEMI tick, often due to failing lifter rollers, can lead to significant engine damage if not addressed. Despite its flaws, the 2010 Dodge Challenger remains an appealing choice for muscle car enthusiasts. It offers an impressive engine bay, especially in the RT and SRT8 models. Although it may not handle as well as contemporaries like the 2010 Ford Mustang or 5th-gen Chevy Camaro, a 1st-gen Dodge Challenger SRT8 with 425 horsepower and a sub-$25,000 price tag is hard to beat.